What's up guys, Shane Starnes here. In this video, I'm partnering with eufy to take a look at the most convenient smart lock that I've ever tested. This is the eufy FamiLock S3 Max. Let's go ahead and get started. First up, let's take this out of the box and see what all we're working with. Right up top, we have the outside unit. We've got a eufy sticker to let people know that your house is monitored. Here's the inside unit with the live view screen right there on the lock. This is your deadbolt. Here's your hardware, including your strike plate. These are the keys to the lock. Then we've got two sets of batteries here. You've got a rechargeable battery that's going to power everything up, and then you've got 4 AAA batteries that will serve as a backup. Like all the other eufy products that I've ever covered, this was super easy to install. I just needed to remove my old lock. I was able to easily attach the lock to the door, and then I jumped into the eufy application, clicked the add button, and then just walked through the process of getting this installed and registered to me. The Familock S3 Max is a 3-in-1 device, including palm vein unlocking, a 2K high quality head-to-toe camera, and even a doorbell, so you don't have to buy multiple different devices. You get it all in one. The standout feature here has to be the palm vein recognition. I mean, I truly feel like a Jedi walking up to my door and just waving my hand to unlock it. This is an advanced security device that utilizes infrared vein recognition technology to make sure that it truly is you unlocking your door. This can see unique vein patterns that are inside your palm, and it's even better than fingerprint scanners in a variety of ways. Vein patterns in your palm are highly secure and very difficult to replicate. This technology is also super fast and convenient, working in 0.1 seconds, so it feels instant. Because this is reading the veins inside of your palm, the surface condition of your skin doesn't matter. So if you have extra dry skin one day, or maybe you have a cut or an abrasion, that's not gonna affect the effectiveness of this lock. Most fingerprint scanners are only about 85% accurate, but palm vein recognition is 99.9999% accurate, so it's almost 100% accurate, making this even more convenient than fingerprint scanners. Waving your hand in front of a lock is really the easiest way that you could possibly unlock a door, making this user-friendly for both kids and even elders. Of course, the palm vein recognition is the star of the show here, but it's not to be outdone by the incredible camera quality. So you do get a 2K head-to-toe camera, which allows you to see everything that's in front of your door, from the packages that are left right at the door to people standing as tall as 2.5 meters. Whether it's day or night, the 2K camera delivers a crisp image. With a 5-megapixel lens and HDR technology, this is able to balance bright and dark areas. So if someone approaches and they have the sunlight behind them, you're still going to be able to see the details of their face. And even at night, you're going to get a great picture thanks to the night vision in this camera. Another super exciting feature is the PowerDuo. This has 2 power sources. You get a 15,000 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, giving this a 50% capacity upgrade over the previous model, offering the longest battery life on a video lock to date. And then you also have a backup battery in the form of 4 AAA batteries. This is great because if the rechargeable battery depletes itself, which would be unlikely, as the application is going to notify you when the battery is running low, but if it does run out of juice, you're still going to be able to unlock the door with the pin and with the palm vein recognition with that battery backup. Of course, if all batteries fail, you still have the handy and trusty key option. This lock features AI smart sensing. It does have motion detection and can detect when people approach, and it will notify you in the application so that you can communicate with the person at the door or unlock the door for your guests. The AI smart sensing also reduces false alarms by 95%. You'll only be notified when something is actually happening at your door, like a person or even a package being delivered. This is even smart enough to alert you when people are lingering around your front door and can let you know if you have loiterers. The Familock S3 Max includes Matter support, which makes it super easy to get this connected to all of your smart gadgets. If you're looking for the most advanced video lock, then the eufy FamiLock S3 Max is definitely the best option. I've never seen a lock that is this fast and accurate and easy to use with the palm vein recognition. Also just really love that extended battery life with the second battery option. I'll be sure to include a link in the description so you can find out more information about the Familock S3 Max and pick one up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.